Pull open the ceiling strip on the right side of the vehicle and pry off the side shield with a pry bar. Pry open the clips and open the lower side shield. Connect to the original vehicle connector. One set is adapted to the original vehicle's reserved protocol connector. For the other set, unplug the original vehicle's front connector and adapt it to the product connector. Wiring diagram. Hide the wires into the edge of the indicated line in the diagram. Pry open the lower side shield under the driver's seat with a pry bar. Adjust the steering wheel to the outermost and lowest position. Pry open the rear cover of the steering wheel with a pry bar. Use a soft strip to route the wire harness through the lower shield to the rear of the steering wheel. Secure the wires with sealant. Loosen the original vehicle screws with a T20 T1 O-wrench. Align the lever with the positioning posts of the metal bracket and lock the M3 machine screws. Insert the connector after installation. Secure the wire harness tightly with the sealing strip. Install the cover plate provided with the product to complete the installation.